I'd share a little tip on working with ginger. And this is a huge ginger root, which I picked up last night at the grocery store. So just break off your pieces. It'll be a little easier to work with. And you know, in a lot of cases, once it's clean, I often just grate it right into a recipe. But if you want a nice clean piece like this, especially if you're going to be slicing and pickling, well, then you want to have all of the skin off. So what I do is I take a spoon and just head over to the sink, and you pull down with the spoon a little bit of force, the best you can. And that's how you work it. And then you have a piece that begins to look like this. That's all there is to it. Now you can work with it. You can put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to prep a little bit further. Or what I like to do is I freeze most of my ginger, and then I have it at the ready. It's nice and fresh, and it's also easy to work with on a microplane. So there you have it, just a little tip on ginger. I'm Debbie with Almost Vegan Cooking School. If you like this video, please give my cooking school a thumbs up and subscribe. We're always sharing recipes, and you can check out my cooking school at almostvegancookingschool.com to learn more. Thanks so much for watching.